For tomorrow, more sunshine in the forecast. Maybe you got a little raking to do. Got a lot of trees. Maybe some of the leaves are falling off, but you're going to have an excellent day tomorrow. Temperature's going to get a little hot by the afternoon. We're talking about those temps warming up to about 80 degrees. Well, here's the winds that are going to be cranking up once we head into your Sunday. And we're talking about gusts right here at 40, primarily on the east and northeast sides of town. You folks will get the brunt of the winds. So maybe some of the leaves might be blowing into your neighbor's yard off towards the east of you. Here's your weekend forecast. A lot of stuff going on this weekend. We're talking about the windy conditions Saturday and Sunday. Low and windy, though, on Saturday. Sunday is going to be a little bit stronger. We'll talk more about the wind speeds coming up at 83 degrees expected over the weekend. If you're going to be heading up to the Mesilla Valley and going to that corn maze up there, going to be pretty nice. Look at those temperatures. Pretty comfortable in the upper 70s, and the winds will pick up just a bit for you folks. So here's how it breaks down tomorrow. Maybe some occasional breezes, gusts to 25. Then we hit 30, low and windy on Saturday out of the southwest. Sunday we hit 40. And then Monday the cold front comes through here. So the winds are still going to be moderately windy, 35 out of the northwest. They'll continue to be northwesterly on Tuesday at 30 and then down to 15 as we look ahead to Wednesday or Thursday. So really the peak days will be Sunday into Monday. We've been tracking the rain showers, and if you look here, by 8 o'clock Monday morning, this is where we could start to see some rain accumulate for areas out in our eastern counties, Hudspeth County, Culberson County, you folks Lower Valley. Tornillo may be able to pick up 0.04. The model's just not too excited or bullish on some of the rainfall across southern New Mexico, keeping our rain chances or our rain opportunities as far as rainfall less than 1/10 of an inch across town. All right, here's a look at your forecast for tonight. No issues weather-wise on this Thursday night. Temperatures down to 53, so will be a pleasant night tonight. Winds will be out of the west, but not going to be much of a concern. There you see your sunset time occurring at 6:28. For tomorrow, sunrise time, by the way, at 7:13. 82 will be the high temp. We'll enjoy lots of sunshine throughout the day for tomorrow. And again, running those temperatures above the average for this time of year. Typically, we're right around the upper 70s. 47 overnight for you guys in Las Cruces. Your high temp for tomorrow will make it up to 78 degrees. You're going to see just a beautiful day as well for tomorrow. Watch over the next several days. We go 82, 83, 83 in here on Sunday. Overnight low temperatures going to get a little bit warmer as well. Temps will be generally dropping down into the low to mid 60s. There's that slight chance of rain. Monday, as the front drives through here, we'll go from 83 to 69 and then work our way back into the mid and upper 70s next week. Take a break. Be back after this.